Hello everyone. Let's dive into how you can integrate Klaviyo with Afflr. Once you've created your account and are logged into your Klaviyo account, you'll find yourself on the Klaviyo dashboard. On the dashboard, look towards the bottom left-hand corner and click on the profile icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, you'll want to select the Settings section. On the Settings page, under the Account section, you'll see an API Keys subsection. Go ahead and select it. On the API Keys page, there's a section for private API keys. You'll find a button that says Create Private API Key. Click on it. On the Create Private API Key page, you'll need to give your private API key a name. Next, under the Select Access Level option, choose the Full Access Key option. Now click on the Create button located at the top right-hand side of the page. Your private API key is now created. Click on the copy icon to copy this API key. Next, head over to your Afflr app admin dashboard. You can access this once you've logged into your Shopify store, installed Afflr, and connected your Afflr store with your Shopify store. On the admin dashboard, click on the Settings section. Within Settings, you'll find the Integration section. Here, you'll see an option for Klaviyo. Toggle this button on. Now, just paste the API key you copied from Klaviyo. Finally, click on the Save button. Your Klaviyo is now successfully integrated with Afflr. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.